Have you ever wondered, what does it take to become a millionaire? Becoming a millionaire is a goal for many people, however, not many people are able to reach this status. In this video, we will explain that there are certain habits and traits that successful millionaires share, and hopefully you can take inspiration from it and implement these habits into your daily life. But before we dive into the topic, hello and welcome back to our channel, The Wealth Shack. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe. On this channel, we are helping hardworking people like you to get more out of your hard-earned money by showing you how to use your money in the most effective way. With that being said, let's dive into the video. Here are the habits that have been identified as common among self-made millionaires. 1. They have a growth mindset. Millionaires view challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth, rather than obstacles to success. This mindset allows them to learn from their failures and make necessary adjustments to reach their goals. They understand that success is not a one-time event, but a continuous process of personal and professional development. Millionaires with a growth mindset are open to feedback and criticism. They understand that feedback and criticism can be valuable in helping them to improve, and they are not afraid to seek out feedback from others. They are always looking for ways to improve and grow, and they use feedback as a tool for personal and professional development. 2. They are disciplined and organized. Millionaires are highly disciplined and organized individuals who prioritize their goals and stick to their plans. They allocate their time, resources, and energy effectively to achieve their objectives. They also understand the importance of having a solid financial plan and regularly review and adjust it as necessary. 3. They have a strong work ethic. Millionaires understand that success requires hard work and dedication, and they are willing to put in the effort necessary to achieve their goals. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve, and they work tirelessly to make their vision a reality. They do not give up easily, and they continue to work towards their goals even when faced with obstacles. They understand that success requires effort and perseverance, and they are not afraid to put in the time and energy necessary to achieve their goals. 4. They seek knowledge. Millionaires understand the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. They read books, attend seminars and workshops, and surround themselves with successful individuals who could offer guidance and advice. They are constantly seeking knowledge and skills that can help them reach their goals and improve their financial position. More often than not, millionaires have a strong network of mentors and advisors. They seek out the advice and guidance of successful individuals who have been where they are and have achieved what they are striving for. They understand that seeking knowledge from those who have already achieved success is an essential component of their own success. 5. They invest in themselves and others. Millionaires invest in their personal and professional development, as well as in the development of others. They understand that investing in themselves and in others is a critical component of success. They invest in their education, skills, and knowledge, as well as in their relationships, businesses, and communities. By doing so, they build a strong foundation for long-term success. 6. They have multiple streams of income. Having multiple streams of income provides financial stability and reduces financial risk. By diversifying their income, millionaires are able to mitigate the impact of economic downturns or changes in their primary source of income. This provides them with a safety net and gives them peace of mind in knowing that their financial future is secure. 7. Risk takers. Taking calculated risks is a common trait among millionaires, and it is a key factor in their financial success. Millionaires understand that success requires taking action and making things happen, and they are not afraid to take risks in pursuit of their goals. 8. Avoid instant gratification. Millionaires understand the value of delayed gratification. They know that immediate satisfaction may feel good in the moment, but it can lead to financial problems and hinder their long-term goals. By avoiding instant gratification, they are able to prioritize their long-term financial goals and make decisions that will benefit them in the long run. 9. Invest in assets. Millionaires are always looking for opportunities to grow their wealth. They understand that investing in assets can provide them with the opportunity to grow their wealth over time, and they are always seeking new investment opportunities to achieve their financial goals. Millionaires also understand that by investing in assets, they are able to protect their wealth from inflation and other economic factors that could negatively impact their financial security. This allows them to maintain their wealth and secure their financial future. One asset that millionaires love to invest in is real estate. 90% of millionaires hold some sort of real estate in their portfolio. To summarize, the habits explained in this video are essential for anyone looking to become a millionaire. Of course, success takes time and effort, but by adopting these habits and persevering, anyone can become a millionaire. Remember, the key is consistency. That is it for today. Thank you all for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos like this.